Why you should use Unity for game development. Explained in 99 seconds. Unity supports all relevant platforms and devices, so you can develop your game and export it to different devices such as the PlayStation, the Xbox, Switch, mobile devices, and of course PC. There are regular updates for the game engine, so it's always up to date, you always have the latest features and the latest technological advancements. So you're always working with the latest and greatest. There is also an integrated store which offers everything you need to make your games. You can find loads of the stuff for free, but once you want to go really pro, then you can of course buy paid assets as well. There's a great community for feedback and questions. There are thousands and thousands of people developing with Unity. This brings several advantages. On one hand, you have people to ask questions about Unity, then there are solutions to problems already. And this also means that Unity receives loads of feedback, which helps the Unity developers to improve the platform by itself. And of course, you can receive valuable feedback from other developers. Unity is very easy to learn due to many tutorials and courses. There are tons of courses out there which teach you how to create games in Unity. For example, of course, my courses on this channel. And the beauty is that Unity by itself is quite easy as well. So it's a very great starting point for any game developer. It uses the powerful programming language C#. It's very performant. There are loads of tutorials around. The documentation is amazing and it's supported by Microsoft. There are plenty of additional services like ads and collaboration for teams integrated into Unity. And of course, it's free to use. So it's an ideal starting point for any developer because you don't have upfront cost. Alright, so these were the 99 seconds on why you should use Unity as a game developer. I hope you liked it. If you did, please subscribe and leave a like. And of course, check out the other videos.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands.